Looking for a toaster oven that does more than just toast? The Cuisinart 1800-watt toaster oven packs serious power and versatility into a compact design. Whether you want to toast, bake, broil, or even bake an 11-inch pizza, this oven handles it all with ease. It's not just about cooking, it's about getting consistent, mouthwatering results every time you use it. What makes this toaster oven stand out? For starters, it fits up to 6 slices of bread or an 11-inch pizza, thanks to its spacious 0.5 cubic foot interior. The stainless steel front with a cool touch handle adds a sleek look while keeping safety in mind. Plus, the easy clean nonstick interior and removable crumb tray make cleanup a breeze, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your food. The auto slide rack lets you slide out your food without hassle, and the always even technology ensures your toast comes out perfectly browned on every side. It's a thoughtful design that combines power with convenience. I've used this toaster oven daily, and the toasting options truly impress me. I can dial in my preferred toast shade, slightly toasted or golden brown, and it delivers exactly what I want. Reheating leftovers or cooking small meals feels effortless. One thing to note: the baking pan isn't very deep, so spills can happen if you're not careful. Also, the unit releases a bit of smoke during initial use, but it clears quickly and didn't bother me once I got used to it. The loud bell is a nice touch, especially when multitasking in the kitchen. It keeps you from overcooking your food. If you want a reliable, stylish toaster oven that offers multiple cooking functions and consistent results, the Cuisinart 1800W model is worth a look. It's BPA-free, comes with a 3-year limited warranty, and includes a baking pan, wire rack, and crumb tray. All the essentials you need to get started. Whether you're toasting bagels, baking a pizza, or broiling a quick meal, this oven adapts to your kitchen needs with ease. If that's you, try it when you're ready and see how it elevates your cooking routine.